Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles in this edition of the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8832. 8832. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 19 printed digits. There's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between two, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s in this column. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then between the ones comes an O. And double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the third row, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no, and between the O's comes an 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Yes, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.